What's going on, guys? Today we are back and we are working on Cory's budget build 1993 Toyota pickup. So the game plan for today is Cory picked up a set of Chevy 63s and the 63 kit from Low Range Off-Road. So we brought Cory's truck to my dad's shop here. We're gonna put it up on the hoist, cut off all the old brackets, set it up for the 63s, burn it together, and yeah, this thing should flex a heck of a lot better after that. So the current spring setup on this thing isn't ideal by any means. It's got dual overloads and 4-inch blocks. So hopefully with the 63s, we can eliminate all of that. Okay, so Cory's got the old front mount mostly cut off here, and the rear one mocked up, measured, and that's where it's gonna sit now. So now it's just time to tack it in and move on. And now I have my doubts. She can see the trees for forest. So on the other side, it's not quite as straightforward. We actually had to drop the fuel tank, as you can see, to get out of its way to grind off the old brackets. Plus, it needs to go out of the way to put the new stuff on anyway. So yeah, that's what we did. So here's the length difference between the 63s and the stock leaf springs. As you can see, same point here, and then boom, these are significantly longer, which is why we needed to weld new brackets on both sides. Okay, it's finally time to put the leaf springs in the truck. Hey, just interrupting the video really quick to remind you to smash the like button if you're into these old Toyotas, and to let you know about some new shirts we got on the Dirt.Garage website. So check out our new designs at www.dirtgarage.ca, and hey, back to the video. Alright, and it's finally done. We're just gotta put it back on the ground and tighten absolutely everything. Alright, we're finally done the Chevy 63 swap on Cory's Toyota, and it's time to take a test drive. See if it dogtails, see if it does any other weird quirks, see how bad the axle wrap is. But it really shouldn't have that bad of axle wrap. We kept the overloads in there, and it's still a full leaf pack, so it could flex more, but we need an anti-wrap bar in the future to kind of unlock that next level. Alright, so the 63s are awesome, but we found one flaw. There's too much up travel now. As you can see, right here it's not too bad, but it is touching the flat deck here, which it used to do, but under like max flex. And as you can see, the springs still have a fair bit of up travel to go. So we gotta address these wheel arches. Okay, so yesterday I talked about how we don't have enough tire clearance for the amount of flex this thing does now. So here's the plan. We got some flat bar, and we're pretty much just moving the wheel arches up, but at the same time making it wider and just overall more clearance. But yeah, we got to cut this out, weld in some flat bar, and it should be pretty straightforward. Also, you might have noticed, but this metal here is actually part of what we took out of the flat deck when we bobbed it. We're now reusing it for this bit right here in the wheel arch. It worked out perfect. Now that the modifications on the deck are done, we decided to come out to another barrier and test out its flex. And look, clearly those modifications to the deck was worth it. It's not touching, it's not getting binded up or anything. And look, this thing flexes pretty dang good now. I'm surprised that the front is as planted as it is. Just look at that front tire, it's just dived right up into the wheel well, and the other side's still on the ground. And as you can see, those 63s turned out fantastic. The truck flexes like crazy, the deck modifications perfect, the tire tucks up just where we want it to be. And I gotta say, I'm thinking I need the 63s now in my gray Toyota. What do you think? Anyways, guys, that's about it for this week's episode of Dirt.Garage. If you like this stuff, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hey, if you want to support the channel, head over to www.dirtgarage.ca, pick yourself up a sticker, one of our new t-shirts. It really means a lot to us. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Whoa.